When I now drive to Lockhart, sorry, and we'll go to Barb's BQ. When I'm in Lockhart, I will take a painkiller, just because I want to get my overall mood better. And then I take some nose spray, and then I don't know what to do today. I don't know. Just messed up that I'm ill. Oh yeah, and today I got my card declined the first time. What is it, Travis County Constable? Here at this gas station, Chevron. First decline of my Wise card. But then I went in and it worked. I don't know. Wise so far very good. Small town America. It's just different. It's crazy. There's so many cars here, but no people. I don't like that. There are not many places you can sit. Everything is indoors. That might be like the Irish-British influence, because that's there as well. But it's somehow a little bit forbidden here in America to drink outside. And I mean, when the weather is getting hotter here in Texas, like, you don't want to sit outside, right? Unless there is some water or something that's cold, or making the air cold next to it. But Lockhart is a nice town, yet I don't know, I don't understand America for now.
So are you going to other barbecue spots as well?
Yeah, I was at Terry Black's.
Yeah, the classic Terry Black's.
And Franklin's.
How long was that wait?
Sorry?
How long was the wait at Franklin's?
Not that long. I was there Wednesday, and it was. I waited there 1 hour, but it was so unnecessary because the line was empty that fast.
Oh wow!
That I could have been there a little bit later. Yeah. I don't know why, but in Berlin they have pieces of the Berlin Wall, right? And here in Austin they have this replica of the American-Mexican Wall. Huh? Going through the Texas history here, and with it the American history, we all can be lucky that we live in a time where we don't have endless wars or one war after another. There are certain conflicts in our time, but not like that, right? Like, why do we all have to have these fights that are full of blood and death? It's like, in the end, everyone said, yeah, we never wanted it like that, right? And yet, somehow it happens again and again. It's crazy how many people have to die for nothing, because no one ever wanted this situation. No one ever fought for what came out. They just fought. That's so stupid. The Bucky Beaver is even in a museum. What the hell? What the hell? Brick from first Bucky store. There it is. What a guy, he knew it all. What a genius. This is all made with oil. Meine Scheiße. That golf balls, your PS5, controller, helmet, phone, clothes, cups, pans, Lego, crane, babies, your stand-up paddling board, canoe, clocks, helmets, wheels. What the hell? Oh yeah. I just want to give you a quick reminder that you don't pay a museum for, that's here in Houston, that you don't pay a museum for information. You pay a museum for the validation of the information. Right, you could get those information anywhere, but Here you got validated info where everyone can agree on they happened, right? That's why you go to museums. I gotta give it to Austin. There are a lot of nice trails where you can walk, hike, go for a run. And the weather here is nice. Like when you have some shadowy places, then you really can endure the sun or the heat. That's the Zilka trail. I don't know, the trail from Zilka Park. I walked 1 mile into this trail. That's not called the Zilka Park trail. I don't know what the name is right now. I walked 1 mile in, 1 mile out, so that's more or less 3 kilometers. It's enough for me. Like, I don't want to spend any more money today. I spent so much. I'm only surviving this because of medication. But I gotta do something. I can't just sit in an Airbnb or in the car. But I just can't do anything. I don't know if I'm pushing myself again too much. Tomorrow, where I want to go to the stockyards. Like, I sat in the library that was for free. And I don't know, the park is for free. It's too early to go back to the Airbnb. But I don't know what to do. I think 1 week in Austin is enough. Perhaps you put San Antonio in one of those days. But 2 weeks only Austin is too much. Right? And I don't want to spend another $5 plus tip for the most mediocre coffee there is. Like, the one big negative point of America is the quality is so bad. Okay, the name is the Violet Crown Trail. You see it here. And when you start from here, you have an amazing view. It's a nice start from the Zilka Park. I don't know if you can go a half loop or something like that. And there's this Barton Spring pool. Never been there. I don't like free pools. Too many people. They're doing weird things. That's just not mine. But the Zilka Park is nice. I like being here. Guys, squirrels are everywhere. Holy crap, you see so many of these. Like, it's a mysterious creature in Germany. Oh my god, there are 3. Look at him. What a guy. Dude. In Germany, you barely see them. You mainly see them in Bavaria, or in the south. And when you actually want to see them as a European, I don't know why, but in the UK there are a lot. But here, there are so many.